Hello, very nice to be here at Riva del Garda. It's my first show, very impressive so far. My name is Andrew Wood. I'm the Regional Business Development Manager for Asia Pacific countries, and recently my role has been upgraded to the International Business Development Manager. But I'll first talk about Asia Pacific. I've been with the company 2 years now, and the task I had was to open up Japan, Korea, and China. So far, I have a couple of successes out of those 3 markets. We have a new distributor in Japan, selling mostly into department stores, and we've had a very good start. And from that start, we will then penetrate with our own Steve Madden stores. For China, we had a joint venture partner for a couple of years through COVID, which was a very difficult time in China with the lockdowns. But to be honest, the partnership was not right from both sides, and I've been able to find a new partner for China, and they will start with Steve Madden in 2025, and they will also sell not only in the mainland, but also in Hong Kong and Macau. So we're very excited about the new markets like Japan and China, and we're also looking for a partner in South Korea. Apart from that, we are quite developed in the Asia markets. So here in Expo Riva in Garda, it's important for me to expand my horizons in my new role beyond Asia. So I've been tasked to open up the new markets in Africa. Right now we only have the South African market, which is doing very well. So this gives us some impression of positivity to expand also into other parts of Africa. And our target markets would be Ivory Coast, Kenya, Egypt, Morocco, and a couple of others, but they would be the main ones in Africa we're looking for. We're also looking at open markets in the Middle East. Countries like Jordan and Lebanon would be key for us. The rest of the markets in Middle East, we're also quite developed. And the other main area that I'm focusing is South Asia, with Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and then a little bit further up into Turkey and the former Russian states, the CS, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, etc. So being here in Italy at this show has been super helpful, because I've met people from most of those countries and had also some very positive meetings to start the ball rolling for my new job. So I thank this show very much, and appreciate the platform that is provided for me to execute my role with Steve Madden. Asia is a vast and varied landscape, a lot of different spices in the market. For sure, Steve Madden should have started in the northeast part of Asia, such as China, Korea, Japan. 80% of the business for the shoe industry is in those markets. But for whatever reason, before my time with Steve Madden, we focused on Southeast Asia, which is only the 20% of the footwear business. So we've gone about upside down. But now, hopefully, with, as I mentioned, getting into China and into Japan recently, we can correct the balance of the business. So, of course, we are very positive about not only the shoe industry in Asia, now we're coming out of COVID, but also very excited the fact that we're finally going to penetrate the 80%, the northeast part of Asia. I would say generally that Asia, the view has always been towards the formal shoes. Unfortunately, we are seeing a shift away from the industry-wise formal shoes into more casual, more sneaker, athleisure style of products. And that's the way Steve Madden has developed also. So I think the fit with the trends in Asia towards more athleisure, sporting looks, more casual, is helping Steve Madden, because that's what's driving our business also. So we are on the right trend, the right path. I think one of the highlights of joining this show has been the use of the Business Scout facility at Garda. The exhibitor has tried to matchmake a lot more closely between the needs of the buyer and the offering here at the show. So before I came to Italy, I was also always very aware of which type of vendor, which type of seller for the right product groups at the right price that I was gonna meet. So it didn't waste a lot of people's time, and it didn't also waste my time. So I think this initiative is very, very positive and very commercially driven. So appreciate that.